to our channel. It's your girl Trisha, and today guys is my birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me. Yes guys. And this is Leo. Say hello babe.
Hey.
So guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscription button down below. Like out the video guys, share, comment and subscribe. Yes, today is my birthday and we are heading, I don't know where we're heading, but I hope it just came from work and we're heading out to have dinner. Yes, over there some of the carry on. And it, this one? Oh, yes, we true. Yes guys, so we're passing where we brought Leo for his birthday, Casanova. It was a really good... No Leo?
I was in Lobster Pot.
Lobster Pot. We went to Lobster Pot. That's me say it was upstairs that we went and we really, I love the ambience. Did you like the ambience, babe? The food alright. The food alright. The only thing that we find over here is that in Cayman they don't make the food as salty, you know, so you add your own salt, but it was well cooked, don't babe?
You eat ambience, me eat food.
Me eat ambience and food. You know, the ambience make the food taste good even if you're not that good. You understand where I'm going from here? But suppose the food not that good and you're not in the ambience, you don't have nothing. What do you think?
Food all the way. Ambience can stay. We may pay for the food, not the ambience.
Comment down below guys, what do you think? Food or ambience or both? Than both. Right? So what we are gonna be? The food good?
Yes, it is excellent.
Alright. And the ambience good?
Yes.
Jackpot! Oh god. Babe said the food good and the ambience good too. Right?
Guys, let me just give you a recap of how my day went before reaching this point. This was how Sweetie Kai woke me up. So guys, I thought I'd just show you just a little bit of how I managed to, you know, do my makeup. And guys, all of you would know that Trisha does DIY makeup tutorial. Do it yourself. If you don't have a brush, use a cotton bud, right? So guys, comment down below whether or not you'd like me to show you how I did my eyebrows, how I did this makeup tutorial, how I got ready for my birthday.
So guys, this is my birthday look. What do you guys think about it? I like it. It's just that I have to probably go and fix my my baby ear. I was trying guys, I was trying. So this is my look. Tell me whether or not you guys like it. I find it to be very cute. I really love it.
Guys, I also got a manicure and pedicure for my birthday. Guys, my feet felt like they were in heaven. Yes guys, they felt really good. I really need to do this more often, you know. This is the life.
Leo, you know, want to put a bit like this. You know, a massage, and you put them to get rub. Yeah, Father's Day come up, you know.
And what's a birthday without a few people? Yes, people, supermodel Trisha. Yes, the child in me still lives on. That's me right there up in that tree. Hey girlfriends.
Guys, we are at the restaurant. Come papa. How is that Ed with baby? Hi. Is that Italian restaurant, babe? Alright. Thank you. Thank you. Carol, this is your chair? Mommy's lap?
Yes. I'll bring you a high chair.
Yes, please. So what is for Carol? Do you want chicken fingers with fries?
Yes.
You say yes. He's very enthused. Alright. So Cairo wants chicken finger with fries. Leo, did you look on the menu? Because you look at salad.
Yeah.
So what do you think that we'd like?
Well, we're going appetizer. Straight down to main course and dessert.
Okay.
For you?
I didn't know that. Baby, whenever. What are the...
Taco?
The rice?
You.
Alright.
Bon appetit, enjoy, yeah?
Thank you. What is this, people?
Hello.
They are meat raw.
How it is? Not raw, baby.
They cool it and it look raw. Who recommend this?
People.
Online? It's raw.
See? Well, you don't want the baby.
We can't waste. You get so much money for this? $16.
What it tastes like?
Not taste. I don't know. But whatever I'm using, I use raw. You want to taste it? Not just spam, but like a sauce. It's just that, and it's kind of spicy. It's just that the meat caught me off guard.
It's raw fish, baby.
Yes, I did something. Araya waving Leo. We are waving kids. So guys, I just tried. What is it called, babe?
I think some tuna taco, you know.
Yes, some tuna taco, but we thought the tuna was cooked. Guys, when I bite it, I'm like, oh hell no, this tuna is raw. But you know, it's a lot of money, so I was trying to eat it. But I couldn't do it, people. Ordered some lobster bites, and I love lobster and I love shrimp, so I know that I love that. Alright, but guys, I can't say I don't eat raw meat. I hate raw tuna.
As we were enjoying the scenery and decided to take a walk.
So guys, Obi is walking the baby. There is daddy. Obi is walking the baby. She's getting a little fussy people around the table. She's like, no more mama. But we haven't had the main course right here. So we have to wait. Nice.
For a walk, it's really nice out there.
You want us to come?
Let's go, Carol.
Carol, we're going for a walk, okay? So guys, we're waiting on appetizer. Sorry, our main course, but baby said that the ambience is too good. So we're going for a walk. I know it's dark, guys, but bear with us. Ow, mosquito.
Oh,
Whee, bite me in my eye, Leo.
Yay?
Right up here, so.
The eyelash. My gosh.
Right in my eye, right underneath my eyebrow. Mosquito bite me, people. Ambience good, but mosquito is a killer out here. It's real nice, but we can't walk in the sun. We can't go in the sun.
Oh.
You have to stay right here. Okay. It's not that bad. Leo, up here mosquito.
Yeah. Mosquito.
Brush them off at Araya face, please.
Can't touch right now. Mosquito don't touch.
Mosquito people, but the ambience is great. And that's the hotel over there.
Girl.
Whee!
Oh, sorry.
Ow! Leo, mosquito.
Alright, come.
When are you gonna come?
No, wait. Alright, people. Mosquito running away. We need to go back. Come.
So guys, back to our table we went, and we basically sat and enjoyed the ambiance.
Happy birthday to you, eh?
Thank
May
you.
have many more. Light the candle, make a wish. Perfect. That's from us. Eh?
Thank you.
Enjoy. Thank you.